You're not paying everything with a credit card right now? We're moving on to step 4. It's called the credit card hack. Nobody talks about this. I don't know why nobody talks about this. This one, I have to put a caution to it. If you're not good with impulsive buying or have self-control when it comes to money, this might not be good for you. There's a ton of awesome credit cards nowadays that have cashback rewards. I buy everything with my credit card. Gas, food, restaurant, everything I buy, I put it on that credit card and then I pay it off at the end of the month. That step is crucial. If you can't do that, do not do this. If you are able to do this, then this is going to be a super hack and you're going to have extra amounts of money whenever you build up the points. You can use those rewards for whatever you want. You get free money. It's free money. Why wouldn't you do it? And that is the credit card hack. But beware, don't mess it up. Don't get into more debt and blame me, all right? I told you beware. If you can't do it, then don't do it. See you on step 5.